Ever wondered how artificial intelligence can revolutionize academic writing? Today, we're going to delve into the world of AI, specifically focusing on the use of ChatGPT in academic writing, a tool that, when used responsibly, can greatly enhance your writing skills. To start off, it all begins with the preparation. The first step is to thoroughly read your assignment or essay question. It's crucial to understand what you're being asked before you can start answering. Then use the study materials provided and don't hesitate to explore additional resources on Google Scholar or other databases. This will give you a broad understanding of the topic and provide you with a wealth of information to draw from. Once you've done your research, it's time to write your initial response. Make sure you understand the readings and then independently compose your answer in a detailed manner. This is your initial response, your first stab at the question. Now comes the magic of ChatGPT. This AI tool can be used to assess your work. It can identify strengths and weaknesses in your writing, providing you with a unique perspective on your work. Review the suggestions provided by ChatGPT and use them to address weaknesses and incorporate good practices from the strengths identified. Once you've taken into account the insights gained from the ChatGPT critique, it's time to revise your answer. Remember, this isn't about letting the AI write your essay for you. It's about using the tool to enhance your work and present a new perspective while staying true to your original thoughts and ideas. After you've revised your work, you can go back to ChatGPT and request refinement. But remember, it's important to explicitly instruct the AI not to deviate from your original thoughts and ideas. This keeps the work authentically yours. Finally, it's crucial to maintain academic integrity. If you've referenced ideas from other scholars during your ChatGPT process, ensure you properly cite them. This will not only maintain honesty in your academic endeavors, but also respect the work of others. To sum up, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool in academic writing. It's all about preparation, initial response, critique, revision, refinement, and citation. When used responsibly, it can help you enhance your work, present new perspectives, and maintain academic integrity. So the next time you're faced with an academic writing task, remember these steps and make the most of the AI revolution.